Okay, we've finished filling out the water system information page. It's now time to fill out the application contact information page. This page will let the division know who should be contacted for comments and an eventual draft permit in relation to this project. So we scroll down and we see that there are three types of contacts for this form. There's the applicant, the professional engineer working on the project, and any additional contacts. For the purposes of this example, we will be filling out the applicant first, but you can do this in any order. So we tell the system we're filling out the applicant contact information, and then we are asked the question of, is this applicant contact the water system owner? In this case, the answer is yes. A note pops up that tells us that the water system owner information is already in our database, so we don't need to enter it again. Do note that this means that if the water system owner information that we have is incorrect, then the water system owner information associated with this permit will also be incorrect. Therefore, I would recommend checking our database and making sure that the information is accurate before submitting your permit. We will now add the professional engineer information by clicking on Add New Application Contact Information. If we scroll up, we can see the old section of the form. It is still there, and it is complete and saved, and a new blank form is available for us to fill out. So this time, we click on Professional Engineer, and this information is not already in the system, so we have to fill it out. So you're going to fill out the information and contact information of the engineer working on this project. Not all of these boxes are necessary to fill out, but it's best to fill out everything that you can. Give us all the information that is relevant. Once you've filled out the contact information, you fill out the mailing address. And once you've filled out all of that, you are done with this form. Let's say that you want to add a third contact. You will click on Add a New Application Contact Information again. Again, the system saves the previous form that was filled out and opens a new one. However, let's say you change your mind. Let's say that you don't really want to fill out a third application contact information form. You now have a bit of an issue in that you will not be able to submit this application while this information is unfilled out or is left blank. So what you'll do is you'll scroll up and you'll click on the delete button to remove that information. Now our application contact information is filled out and correct, so we will move on to the project information tab.